So right now, this is our motion detector. So right now it's in the idle state. So when we push a button, it'll start to arm. And now it's armed. So any motion, the LEDs will flash and the speaker will go off. And then you push a button to stop it. And the correct password's entered right now.
Sorry.
But if you did it again, and so you can set the password in the idle state, and then if I change it again and arm it, and then have an intruder detected, the same button will just reset it. So you have to enter the correct password and it.
Questions?
Any questions?
Great. Let's go back.